changing the Ariel on a Jaguar X308. Let's run through some of the tools you're going to need. You're going to need a ratchet with a 10mm. You're going to need an 8mm and a crosshead screwdriver. Got a new unit here ready to go on from eBay. See how we get on. But first, let's disconnect the battery. So we'll start by removing this 8mm bolt here, this 8mm bolt here, and that wiring clip. Now with the bolts removed and the wiring harness, it's out of the vehicle. Notice this one here has an earth strap here, which I do believe is now redundant because this is it here, which I'll just link that up to the bodywork where the original one was. Get this one in situ and then we'll start fiddling with some cables. So you need to undo these two crosshead Phillips screws and reuse this bracketry on your new one. New unit fitted, wiring done. So the blue goes to the black and green, and the red goes to the brown and green. The third one is not used anymore. I'm guessing that is an earth, but not used anymore, so I'll hide all that up out of the way. But she sat in wiring done, bracket modified, screws found, had to reuse this old bit of pipe, bleed off water, drain off pipe. But yeah, relatively straightforward. See if it works without damaging my car. Oh yeah. Battery. Happy days. Make sure she goes down. Let me just turn it off. Bueno. It's the best I could get it to sit in the hole, but I've tested it, it doesn't leak. But I don't know if it's meant to do that, but that's the best I can get it. Doesn't sit square in the hole, but doesn't hit the boot, doesn't look silly when it's up. It's working. All I need to do is go to get myself down to Hal Frauds and find an adapter. Probably only be like £5, I think. Because even though it's Jaguar specific, they don't put a Jaguar Ariel on the end. Clever really.